Hi guys, I'm so excited to show you what I worked on this semester. This is something super duper important to me. As you can see, it's about my dog, and it's a blog that I made called Misadventures of Maggie and Me. Maggie is obviously my dog, and she is crazy, and she does things that you wouldn't think a dog could do, or plots things wouldn't think that dogs could do. So I decided to make a blog about all of the things that she gets herself into and also gets me into because I'm her owner. Some of the stories are just so out there that most people wouldn't necessarily believe them. So I wanted to put them in writing. And it's kind of a therapeutic thing for me too. Uh, for my homepage, I decided on the background of the paw prints because it was simple, and it I in one of our readings it said that the more black and white space, the better, and this was so simple and it wasn't too crazy of a background, so I decided to go with it, and obviously it goes with my theme. And then I have my featured post, which is, I believe I have it set for whatever. I think this was my first story actually, so that's why I have it featured, and then I have all my posts and I actually have it linked to a Facebook page that I made with all of us, with me and her actually. And then I have the About page, and it kind of tells you our story and who we are, and it also has a search bar, so I guess that could be considered interactive. And then I have our gallery, which is basically different pictures. I plan on adding more pictures. These are just the 3 that I chose. And then another interactive thing is asking for people to add their stories. And as you can see, my friend Stephanie, she added a funny story about her dog. And I just love stories of what dogs get into, so I really wanted to add that element so I can hear others' stories. Well, I guess my target market is obviously pet owners, but more specifically dog owners. And another thing I wanted to add was a section about like safety tips, because I know that I'm always looking at safety tips for my dogs. Like, she got into this, what does that mean? So I want to definitely add that as a element. And I'm not selling anything. I'm just sharing my experiences. So I just want people to be entertained because my dog entertains me all the time. And then if I had more time, I made, here, I'm going to show you. I made this, and I'm going to add that to my website. I'm just trying to figure out how to add like a logo at the moment, but right now the picture is too big, so I'm going to have to figure that out. But I kind of went over already what things I would change if I had more time. And then, unfortunately, I have to show you. So this is the CSS, which I completely thought I was like a genius, because I would look at code when I was little and I was like, I don't know what that's about. But now I've learned that it's actually really, really easy. So I just decided to do mine about football, and as you can see, so I'm a Bears fan, a Broncos fan, and then my family's a Steelers fan. And then, so and at the end I put like seeing how their seasons are, so it takes you to the homepage of the team, and then I have basically what football is and why I love football. It was pretty quick and easy. I loved making the website. It was so much fun, and I had never done it before, so I did really find it therapeutic, so I plan on keeping up with it. If you, I don't know you can see, but I actually bought the my domain, so I couldn't figure out a way to get Facebook to be linked to it unless I bought it, but since I'm planning on using it, I just decided to buy it. It's kind of spendy because it's for a 3-year subscription and they make you pay for it all up front, but I'm good for 3 years, so I hope you guys continue to check it out, and I love hearing stories, so if you could share your funny pet stories with me, that'd be absolutely great. But I'm completely proud of the website. I thought it was so much harder than it actually is, and I just felt so accomplished to see all the work come and be put into a website where my friends and family can keep up with me and my dog. Um, I learned so much from this class and I loved it, and I hope you guys enjoyed the website, and I hope you guys enjoyed the class as much as I did.